Yo guys, we got a new location today. We've come to just, I don't know what this is.
Coating factory.
Coating factory. So yeah, let's go.
That's not hammer like this. I'm telling you, it looks decent. There's holes there, so.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
See what I mean? It's not, then you've kind of got like fucking wall sorts.
Got like a Woolens vibe.
I'm getting blue vibes.
Yeah.
Harvey, be careful.
Moonshine bottles. Do you know on cartoons when you see one of these?
Yeah.
Oh, Pro Urbex has been here.
Have they? Oh, that'll have been from fucking. Okay. Yeah.
Oh shit, you got a hammer on the floor.
So he kept that.
Did you say?
Yeah, but I fucking said.
Oh.
I was like, look, there's a hammer on the floor. Like, oh my god, there's a hammer.
What are these? They look like water coolers for water fountain things.
Look a bit like filters. Looks a bit like fucking Tesla logo, innit? Careful on that floor, I'm not sure how safe it is.
Ah.
I do like that one though, it's got a cork in them as well.
Yeah.
That's fucking nice, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Here, pause it
Some
quick.
great oh, look at that for some smell.
Oh, back. It's all like paint and shit here.
Yeah, I actually love. That's the thing. I love the smell.
Smells a little bit like paint stripper.
Yeah.
Pro Ibex.
Again.
Again, yeah.
Also, they've been this year.
Fuck off.
Wait, hang on.
I don't think, yeah.
Hang on.
2K20s this year.
I would have thought about it.
Hang on a minute. Right, I'm gonna put. No, I'm not. I'm gonna say, is it A&J again? But I'm not gonna, do that.
Who wants to go to the basement?
Oh, stickers.
Yeah. Pause it quick.
Whoa. Do not stand there.
Stickers I don't know.
Yeah.
Pause it quick.
Look at that. Oh, bless me. The floor is very dangerous in here. So I got this room here, and look at the floor, it's a right state.
But it still has some stuff in it, so it's quite nice. Oh, wrong call. Did you see that? Did you actually record that?
Yeah, I think so.
It's in.
Got like, what was it, paint cans, yeah. Little paint cans here. Oh, we got a wheel. Over here we've got some shelves. Yeah. Does anyone want a radiator? There you go. Got a floor over there.
That radio is fucking massive. Fuck me.
A bottle here.
It's nice though, I'll tell you this. Yeah. I'm going to start taking photos now.
There's some more shelving.
Building in Ashley. Credit to Dan, by the way.
Oh yeah, credit to Dan.
Because we didn't even know a place like this would exist.
Woolens.
Go live stream.
Yeah. I'm just being careful on this, sorry guys.
Make sure guys can see behind the footage videos on my Instagram. You fucking joking, you
Storeroom, do you want to go in?
Half because. Yeah, do you want to do that in a bit?
Oh, it's not much.
Oh. I thought that was the basement going down. Did you? Oh, can I just say, by the way, I slept at Ash's yesterday, so I'm not fucking disgusting at all. Wearing the same clothes for 2 days. I'm joking.
The fuck?
What?
No.
I just want to clarify that. Cut that out because if people
Oh,
start wearing that. Ow.
No, I'm trying to sort all my shit out. Honestly, in this building, you kind of got. I mean, I can put my.
Fuck me, that's a chimney sweep. That's a literal chimney sweep. Ash.
It's office. And then lead into that bit. What?
There's a chimney sweep.
Is there?
Yeah, look, come here.
Alright, one sec.
It's got the poles and all for that.
That lighting is perfect. But,
Yeah, you can't get upstairs.
I mean, that on its own is fucking, like, photo around.
Yeah. Oh, pile of stuff here. Oh shit, guys. I don't know what that is there. But yeah, I'm